provide a quick tutorial on doing comments on other class posts. So we are in week 4, and a new assignment we have introduced is commenting in online discussions using Hypothesis for other class posts. So this is another weekly activity you will be doing in addition to your weekly writings. For more information on the assignment, you can go here, which also includes the steps for doing that. But I'm going to highlight the steps as we go through it. So each week we will have this list and we will rotate through so that you're commenting on different posts each week and not the same posts all the time. So in this case, I'm going to focus on Riley. And I do that because when I go back to the class posts, her post happens to be the top one listed. So I'm going to open up Riley's post, and you'll notice you can't do a hypothesis here because this is a live feed. So in order to read the full post, you will need to click on the title, and that will take you to her post. And in this case, I know that I want to highlight something down here and provide a comment. So I'm going to now open up Hypothesis, and I'm going to make sure that the proper group is selected, FYS183 Fall 2023. Then I can highlight what I want to say. And then I'm going to go ahead and post it to our group. So now this will be available for Riley to see, but also others to see for additional comments, and others can then comment on the comments to further the discussion. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me primarily via email or in class.